How would you like to make a few $100s with just a couple of hours worth of effort? Right now, many banks are offering fantastic bonuses for simply opening new accounts. However, it's important to note that these bonus offers are for new bank customers only, which means you must not have had an account with that bank in the past year. You can make extra cash quickly by taking advantage of these attractive offers from leading banks. Let's check out what's on the table. Wells Fargo is offering a $325 bonus for opening an everyday checking account by April 9th, 2024. The catch? You need to make a deposit of $1,000 within 90 days of opening your account. Chase has a deal where you can earn $300 by opening a Chase Total Checking account before April 17th, 2024. To snag this bonus, you'll need a $500 minimum monthly direct deposit. Capital One's 360 checking account comes with a $250 bonus. There isn't a specified deadline, but you do need a $500 minimum monthly direct deposit to qualify. Bank of America is throwing into the mix a $200 bonus for any checking account opened by May 31st, 2024. You're part of the bargain? A $2,000 direct deposit within the first 90 days. PNC Bank is not staying behind, offering two bonuses. A $200 bonus for opening a performance spend account by April 30th, 2024, with a $2,000 direct deposit requirement within 60 days, or a $400 bonus for the Performance Select account requiring a $5,000 direct deposit within the same period. So, you can get extra money by opening a new bank account and doing certain things. You can choose a big bonus with a higher balance or a small bonus with a lower balance. It all depends on what you need. Just make sure to read all the rules before you start so you can get the most out of your bonus. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right?